To overlay a green screen in CapCut, start by importing your video and green screen footage into the CapCut app. Once your media is uploaded, create a new project and add the green screen video as the first layer, followed by your main video as the second layer. Next, select the green screen layer and navigate to the chroma key option, which can be found in the Effects menu. Apply the chroma key effect to the green screen layer, and CapCut will automatically detect and remove the green color from the layer, allowing your main video to show through. Adjust the threshold and sensitivity settings to fine-tune the chroma key effect and ensure a seamless overlay. You can also invert the selection or adjust the edge detection to refine the effect further. To enhance the overlay, add a background image or video to the project by importing the media and adding it as a new layer below the green screen and main video layers. This will provide a solid background for your overlaid video. Finally, review your project and make any necessary adjustments to the timing, audio, or visual effects to ensure a polished final product. With these steps, you can successfully overlay a green screen in CapCut and create professional-looking videos with ease. By following these steps and practicing with different types of footage, you can master the art of green screen overlay in CapCut and take your video editing skills to the next level. CapCut offers a range of advanced features and effects that can be used in conjunction with the green screen overlay, allowing you to create complex and engaging videos.